Love. What a feeling. You know, love is done unconditionally. There is no condition in love. Today I have learned something new. I know it before also, but today, as my mentor took a session and he taught in a deeply that how a love should be done. It should be unconditional. If you are loving someone, don't expect something in return from them. Then it is not a love. It is a contract. And contracts actually happens in business. And love is not a business. Right. So if we take any example from our history, like if we take an example of Meera, who loves Krishna very much. She loves unconditionally. She doesn't care if Krishna loves her or not, but she's devotee to him in so much that she can do anything for him. Now that is called unconditional love. There are people who are unconditionally touched with the God. They love him very much. They don't care whether they get some from the other people. They are in so much deep love that they can do anything for other people. If you are a parent, then you are loving your children like as they are. You don't want to control them because you love them. Don't expect anything from them, like you might be expecting that in old age they might help you, they take care of you. No, this is not a love. This is again a business. You are loving your children because you love them. That's it. Don't expect anything from them. If they love them, then it's a bonus for you. And when this practice comes, you will see a lot of difference in yourself. You will start loving people and you will feel a much light heart from inside you. A great feeling of relaxation inside you. You see, a lot of people think that if I am loving someone, he should love me at all. And that is not a good practice. That then it becomes a business, and love is not a business at all. So start loving people and don't expect anything from them. It should be unconditional. Love should be unconditional.